Welcome back to the Business Law Vault. If you're new here, this is the channel where we break down legal cases, explore the laws shaping our world, and spark meaningful discussions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. On May 1st, 2023, a tragic encounter occurred on a subway car travelling through Manhattan. Daniel Penny, a 24-year-old Marine veteran, was involved in a confrontation with 30-year-old Jordan Neely. Neely, a street performer known for his Michael Jackson impersonations, was experiencing homelessness and mental health struggles. Witnesses reported that Neely was shouting and behaving erratically, though he did not physically attack anyone. Penny intervened by restraining Neely using a chokehold, reportedly to protect other passengers. The situation escalated, and after several minutes in this hold, Neely lost consciousness. He was later pronounced dead at the hospital. The medical examiner ruled his death a homicide due to compression of the neck. The public reaction was immediate and polarising. Many viewed Penny's actions as heroic, stepping up to protect others in a tense situation. Others, including Neely's family and civil rights advocates, saw this as an unnecessary and fatal use of force against a vulnerable individual. Legally, the case revolved around the boundaries of self-defense. Under New York law, a person can use physical force if they reasonably believe it's necessary to protect themselves or others from imminent harm. However, that force must be proportional to the threat. Penny was charged with second-degree manslaughter and criminally negligent homicide. Prosecutors argued that his use of the chokehold was reckless and excessive, especially since Neely was unarmed and posed no direct physical threat. The trial began in late 2024 and quickly became a focal point for debates about public safety and justice. In the courtroom, the prosecution built their case around two key points. First, they argued that Penny's perception of threat was unreasonable, as Neely did not physically harm anyone or carry a weapon. Second, they emphasised the duration of the chokehold, claiming it showed a disregard for human life. The defence countered with witness testimonies from passengers who described the chaotic scene on the subway. They testified that Neely's behaviour, though not physically violent, made them feel unsafe. The defence also brought in experts to testify on Penny's training as a Marine and how he used techniques designed to neutralise threats without lethal intent. One critical moment in the trial came when the defence played surveillance footage from the subway car. This video showed the immediate aftermath of Penny releasing Neely from the chokehold, including efforts to place Neely in a recovery position. The defence used this to argue that Penny did not act with malice, but believed he was protecting others. After weeks of testimony and several days of jury deliberation, the verdict was announced. Penny was found not guilty of criminally negligent homicide. The jury explained that the evidence supported the claim that Penny acted to protect others and did not intend to cause harm. Earlier in the trial, the judge dismissed the manslaughter charge after the jury deadlocked on that count. This verdict left the public divided. Supporters of Penny saw it as a victory for those willing to step up in dangerous situations. Critics argued that it sent a message that excessive force could be justified against vulnerable individuals like Neely. Now let's bring this back to you. What do you think about this case? Here are a few questions to consider. Should Daniel Penny's actions be seen as heroic, or did he cross the line? Should there be stricter guidelines for how bystanders intervene in public safety situations? Did the legal system handle this case fairly, or does this reflect a failure to protect the most vulnerable in society? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. This case is more than just a headline. It's a mirror reflecting the tensions between public safety, personal responsibility, and systemic failures. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the Business Law Vault. Your support helps us continue to bring you thought-provoking legal content. Until next time, stay informed and keep questioning the laws that shape our world.